Hi, today I'm going to teach you the proper way to set your tuner up for tuning. So before you can tune properly, you need to make sure that you are using the correct tool. So this tuner is the Class Tuners. You know that it's a tuner because it says T4 on it. So that's tuner 4. If you have a metronome, you're going to see blue buttons. And if you turn it to the side, I have those labeled M1 or M2, M3, depending on which metronome you get. So that's a metronome, and that's not the same thing. But when you're using a tuner, you want to make sure, and I don't know if you can see it, but you see over here it says C. That's ready to tune a cello. So if I click the button, now it says G. That's for guitar. If I click it again, that's B for banjo. If I click it again, that's V for violin. And UK is ukulele. You want to make sure that you're tuning the proper instrument, okay? So I'm going to make sure that I'm on G to tune a guitar, okay? Now, when you get done with the tuner, it's very important that you turn it off. So to do that, you're just going to hold that button down until the screen shuts off, and then it can be put back into the bowl. Please do not twist on these. Do not yank on them. They are meant so that you can slightly turn it and angle it towards you while you have it attached to the head of the guitar. If you twist on these, they will get broken. And if they get broken, we won't have tuners for class. So please be respectful. Make sure that they go back in the bowl when you're done using them so that others can use them. Do not hoard them. Do not keep them in your bag. Make sure that they go up to the bowl. If you would like your own tuner, you can bring one to class. That's perfectly fine. But please make sure you see me and we get your name marked on that with a paint pen in some way, and then you're being responsible with that. If you have any questions on how to use the tuner, please feel free to ask. See you soon.